Toyota is shaking up the small multi-purpose vehicle (MPV) market with a new model called the Rumion. The Rumion is made by Toyota in India and is one of 3 models that Toyota and Suzuki share across brands Starlet/Baleno, Vitara Brezza/Urban Cruiser, and now Rumion/Ertiga. Toyota is replacing its popular Avanza in the people mover category with the new Toyota Cylindrille, which debuted in Johannesburg this week. Toyota South Africa's marketing chief Glenn Crompton said that the Rumion is perfect for our market's aging Avanza at the event's opening. It's a tried and true engineering in a small package that'll fit 7 people, he said. Despite consumers moving towards smaller and mid-size SUVs, the MPV segment is still quite popular in South Africa, according to him. The Rumion is a well-proportioned motorhome with dimensions of 4,395 mm length, 1,735 mm width, and 1,690 mm height. It has a relatively big interior thanks to its 2,740 mm wheelbase, which provides enough space between the axles. The third row of a 7-seater vehicle can be rather restricting, but that isn't the case here, because an adult will be comfortable in the rear for modest journeys. Toyota Rumion has a reasonable ride height of 180 mm, which gives it the ability to tackle some gravel off the beaten path, and its front-wheel drive design makes it more predictable in terms of handling and drivability. The switch to front-wheel drive has resulted in better space in the passenger compartment when compared with the previous Avanza. There is no drive shaft tunnel in the Rumion, so rear seat passengers don't have to deal with a raised center hump. At the launch in Gauteng, we took the Rumion 1.5 TX manual edition for a spin. On approaching the vehicle, there's a sense of familiarity about its appearance, but Toyota has used distinct alloy wheels that aren't identical to those on the JV Partners model. It'll look cool on any decor, and it's not overbearing. It has a higher grade metal, which contributes to its premium appearance. The clutch can be operated without much effort, and it has a lightweight gear throw for easy switching. It offers a refined, smooth idle and simple pulling away due to a light gear throw and an easy-to-use clutch pedal. Excellent visibility from the driver's seat is provided by slim A-pillars, and even when looking over your shoulder to check your blind spot, turning your head left is quick. There's no obnoxious B-pillar on this car that might prevent approaching vehicles from entering your blind spot. Running it in the city's busy northside traffic was a breeze. It effortlessly kept up with the flow. We were 2 ahead in the vehicle, and it could maintain 100 km/h on the highway without breaking a sweat. We had brand new vehicles. In the case of the Wheels 24 debut vehicle, it had less than 100 km on the odometer. When attempting to engage 4th and 5th in our automobile, there was a little of stiffness to the gear selector, but we expect this to go away as the car is run in and the mechanical parts and bobs get used to fitting nicely. The Toyota Rumion 1.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder petrol engine had enough power and torque on hand to propel us with 77 kilowatts and 138 Nm available. When I was behind the wheel, it felt a little tight when attempting to keep up with traffic, but as stated, these vehicles were new, so they needed some miles on them before operating like a well-oiled machine. More than enough poke for the family man or woman, and it'll satisfy both on the road and around town. According to Toyota, the Rumion sips 6.2 liters of unleaded per 100 kilometers in a combined cycle, but we were able to achieve 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers despite the fact that we encountered a lot of stop-and-go traffic due to malfunctioning traffic lights. With a 45-liter fuel tank, you should be able to realistically reach more than 500 kilometers per tank depending on your driving style and the amount of people or goods you intend to transport. The Toyota Rumion is a highly desirable vehicle. It has all of the important conveniences you could desire, notably electric windows and mirrors, and a multimedia audio system that enables phone screen mirroring on TX models. The interior of the TX is stylish and practical. It includes an integrated rear air conditioning system that may be controlled individually by back seat passengers. It also has ISOFIX anchor points for parents who do the nursery school run. The Rumion offers bigger rooms and a broader variety of features. It has all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a second-row model, although it lacks some safety features such as electronic stability control or traction control. The Mitsubishi Mirage's driver's side airbag is also deactivated, as is the passenger side airbag. The vehicle has only 2 airbags, one for the driver and one for the front seat passenger. It won't be a deal breaker if you're not too concerned with these characteristics. If you're searching for something to transport your growing family, or if you need a vehicle to run your shuttle service, or if you want something to carry your mountain bike around but don't want to spend money on a bakkie or SUV, this Rumion could be the answer. It's simple. There aren't that many high-tech engine or transmission features here that might result in substantial repair costs after the warranty expires, and it's simply a straightforward automobile that performs as advertised. The Rumion may be one of your best selections among 7-seater MPVs if you're searching for a wide network of dealers to help you travel throughout the country. The Rumion is also offered with a 3-year or 100,000 km warranty and a 4 services or 60,000 km service plan, depending on the model.